Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer. I've got the band on the top and I'll put a top on it, but I've got to do my interior walls, one going from here to that side, and then I'll cut these in two, have one right to here, and it'll just be a square with 4 different cubbies on it, and you'll have a cubby and a wall on each side. Well, not a cubby, but a hole. There'll be like 4 or 5 shelves in each of these things to help me put and keep stuff, and I can turn it around too. But I've got everything glued and screwed up top, and I'm using Gorilla Glue. I'm having a little bit of a fight with the Gorilla Glue. As you can see right there, I've got the puffing. But one thing about the Gorilla Glue, it will not let loose. This wood will break before that Gorilla Glue will. And I just want to make this thing as sturdy as possible. And I'm not going to be storing heavy stuff up high in it, so that'll be a factor too. And I'll just be able to have more room in my shop and get my shop better organized, where I can get in here. And a lot of my time is spent looking for tools, looking for screws, or some other little odd and end thing that I need. So hopefully that'll eliminate this. But still everything's scraps except for the casters I'm using up under it. And the top, I'm going to, that'll be scrap too. The metal's going to be scrap on the inside. That will be my dividers. They'll be the interior walls, but roofing metal's going to be my divider. And then I'll make the shelf runners and the platforms for the shelves. And go from there. But it's coming together, and I'll probably have the interior done today too, I hope. Maybe not the shelves, that's going to be a lot, but if I can do the interior and the ceiling and then get the shelves tomorrow, it'll be a good day. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.